There are entire pre-made sections available that you can use that can make creating and editing entire sections much easier. Under the Add Elements tab, we can scroll down to Pre-Built Sections, and we can see there's an entire list of pre-built sections that we might use. So let's say we were going to start from a completely blank page and get a big head start by adding a few simple pre-built sections. We'll click on Add Elements, and we might click Welcome, and we can click and drag. We might add an About section. We might add in some testimonials. We might add in some FAQs, a section about the team, and a simple product stack. You can see that I've added these in a random order. I can reorder them in any order that I would like. So let's say that I would like to start with the welcome and go into Meet the Team. And so on the Meet the Team section, I can scroll over and select the up arrow. So now we have welcome, Meet the Team, our testimonials, the About Us, the offer stack, and then FAQs. Now we have a fairly decent page structure to start from, and we can just start plugging in our information. Just like all the videos we watched before, we can see that we can click into each of these individual elements, and we know, for example, the individual elements that they're made up from. If we'd like to change the button, we can click on the button and change the color or the text. To change the pictures of our team, we can select one of the pictures, select the image of the team member that we would like to use, and paste it in. And then we also see that we have a blue background, a white background, another blue background, a white background, and a white background. And if we would like to keep that theme going, in this case, we can select the perfect offer stack because that would be the next blue section. We can clear out the background media, and to see exactly what color has been used for the background above, we can click into that tile and select background color to see that this blue has been used. So if we come down to the perfect offer stack, we can click on that and make sure we select the same one. So now we have the same background color, but we might need to change the color of the text. So we come down to the text colors and select white. However, you see this didn't change because this is a bold text color. And now we have the same blue, white, blue, white, blue, white theme throughout the entire page. The last section that we may want to add is a footer section. So we'll go back to Elements, click on Footer, select which footer we would like to use, drag it in, reorder it if we need to. And again, if we'd like to change the background color, we can do so. However, now we have a lot of different text that we might need to update as well. So in this case, we might just leave it white. So now within minutes, you have an entirely pre-built website template that you can use. And all you have to do is go into the individual elements and update them with your information. Also, let's say in this example, you have 4 team members, and so you don't need all 5 tiles. To get rid of one of the tiles, you can scroll over it to highlight it and start with the element itself and click delete. And now we can see the container that's there for the entire piece. And so if we delete this container or this column, we see that everything else adjusts to accommodate it. Similarly, if we need to add one, we can click the purple circle to highlight the column and come up top and click clone. And now we can see it's added another container in there for a new team member. The same can be done for customer testimonials. We can remove or add more if we would like more. And if we wanted to duplicate the About Me for a second person, we could clone this entire section. And then if we wanted to move the picture to the left side for this person, we can click to highlight the column and click the up arrow to reorder the column. As you're making edits to your page, be sure to save regularly so that you don't lose a bunch of edits that you've already done. And then when you're done, be sure to click save. And when you're ready for the page to be live, you can click on publish.